Hi there! Yesterday we took our reading test and now it is time to track our data from that test. Go to Classwork, then click on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then click on the Data folder or Data Tracker. Your teacher will tell you what it is called. For my class, it is called My Data Folder. And this should be familiar because Miss Reed does this every time we take a math test. It is the same thing except we are tracking our reading data. So once you get here, you are going to go to Reading. So once you get here, you'll go to Reading, and then you'll scroll down to this reading slide, okay? And then you'll go to Unit 7 right here. Click on the little bar and drag it all the way to the red line, okay? Now, yesterday was our Unit 7 test, but right here might say Unit 7 or it might say Module 7. They both mean the same thing, okay? If you got below an 80, you are going to do a retest to try and get some points back. Okay, if you need to hear this video again, just restart it over.